Mayfair is more than just another extended property. It's a home that's been redesigned. Comprehensive remodelling and architectural extensions, the current owners have created a home that feels contemporary, elegant and effortlessly connected to its surroundings. Every element of the home has carefully been considered. With high-end kitchen cabinetry and premium Miele appliances, it creates an atmosphere that feels understated yet luxurious. Golden Avenue remains one of the area's most desirable private roads. Just moments from the beach, private greensward and coastal walks. The rear of this garden opens directly into residence parkland, creating a rare connection between home and landscape. Mayfair is more than a renovated home. It's a complete reinvention of coastal living, exclusively marketed by LHB.